the 2016 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include power front seats, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.